What's going on, people? What's happening, man? 2 years since my reconnection. I just want to kind of make it apparent. I was called to it. Synchronicities, like the first time I'd ever heard of synchronicities was case. You know, like following your joy and following your synchronicities and how one thing will lead to another and this, that, whatever. So I started having these synchronicities after I watched this video, and I start to I'm watching a million other videos too, and I'm doing crazy shit. Well, as time goes on, my synchronicities start getting crazy, right? So this 369, I've always had this in my life anyway, but I want to go through some of the synchronicities in this reconnection thing to kind of show, you know, because I can't prove it. Like I've talked about how I look at the clock and it would always change, and it would change, and it still does. It still does, dude. I'll look at it and it's like 6:11. Right when I look at it, it changes to 6:12. You know, it might be 7:01. I look at it, it changes to 7:02. It always, when I look at it, it changes 80% of the time during the day. Last night it happened like 10 times. It's like a miracle, dude. It's like something in outer space, something not outer. I don't know, something outside of me. Is communicating with me, man. And it's getting heavy. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine looking at the clock and it changes when you look at it? You know what the odds of that? The odds of that, and that happening all day, every day, dude. It tweaks your head up. It's like when it first started happening, man. You know, I would laugh, I would cry. I mean, I would like get scary, like I'm thinking a ghost or some kind of weird, you know, I don't know. But anyway, when you hear these numbers about the reconnection, the 9, like I've been telling y'all, and you know, I know it's hard to prove, because nobody's with me and they don't see the clock change. They don't see all these nines happening in my life. This nine, the onk, the 9, you know, it's like, what the fuck? So you got 9, which equals 36, which equals 9. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 9, is the 36th week of 2018. We stayed in room 225. 9. It was 99 miles, which I've got a picture of that. I'll get that. 99 miles from my driveway to the parking lot. It's 252nd day. 9/9/18 is the 252nd day, which equals 9. It's the 36th Sunday. The bills, there was 9 bills, 3 $100 bills, 3 $10 bills, and 3 $1 bills. And all of those ones equal 9. 3 ones in the hundreds, 3 ones in the tens, 3 ones on the ones. I was still on my 50. I was still 54. That's 9. So, you know, and the 9s was guiding me here, right? So, you know, what would you think?